Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are reviewing the ELlight. This is the Dream Color string lights. So let's go ahead and show you what's inside the box, and then we will set them up and show you what they look like. So this is what they look like. You get your plugs, extension, and everything. Adapter if you want to add more, and goes over a couple features and the app and everything else. Alright, so far we're getting the lights set up, and as you can see, you can actually extend your lights and connect. So this is a whole nother set. So that's one set. We still got plenty to run, but that's just one set. And this is another set that we bought. So as you can see, you can use them. You don't have to use multiple plugs, outlet plugs. You just simply connect them to the other strand, and you can just keep running them as long as you want. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. The color is more like a whitish blue, but you can use the app and control it and change the colors. So guys, after installing, it's easy to set up. I don't know why the app gets a low rating, but all you have to do is follow your instructions that came with your lights. So we have it set up under automatic, and there's over 120, at least for these lights, 120 different settings. Tons of different lights. Right now we have it under automatic, and we still need to tuck the lights in better, make everything better. The color's awesome. Everything about these lights are awesome. Best money spent, in my opinion, for custom lights. So, new Christmas lights. This is auto mode, so there's 120 plus modes that we have for this. I can change the speed of everything as well. So at nighttime I cannot wait